conversation between two friends about historical places.
Hey, Anthony, how are you?
I am fine. What about you?
I am pretty good. It is nice to find you here.
But why are you saying this?
Because you haven't met me in a long time. And I need your favor.
About what?
We, a group of students, are planning to visit a historical place.
So what?
Listen to the whole thing first.
Go ahead.
But we couldn't make any decision about place. Can you help me in this regard?
Sure. How many days will you take to visit? I mean 1 day. Or more?
No. It will be for 1 day visit only. We will not be allowed more.
If you want to go for 1 day, you may go to visit the British Museum. The museum was established in 1753.
What is special about it?
This exhibits 2 million years of human history and culture from the prehistoric era to modern day. This museum was the first public national museum in the world.
We shall be able to return at home from there before night. What do you think of Buckingham Palace?
Buckingham Palace is also a historical place to visit. It is located in the city of Westminster. Buckingham Palace is a London royal residence and the administrative headquarters of the monarch of the United Kingdom. It was built in 1703 on a site for the Duke of Buckingham.
But I think visiting the British Museum will take more time to return.
Yes, I think so. Actually, I was going to tell you about it.
I agree with you.
Now, thinking it, I can suggest you to visit the British Museum as a suitable historical place. You can enjoy and learn a lot there.
I hope so.
So be it.
Thank you for coming to a good decision.
I am glad to help you. Enjoy your visiting with everyone happily.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
Bye.
Bye.
If you like this video, so don't forget to like and share my video. Please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.